kids! I'm Bob. Today, we're going to learn the alphabets. A is the first letter we need to find. Let's go and find A. Kids, can you see A? He is hiding behind the lamppost.
Boo! Hi, Bob!
A, will you join me?
Yes, Bob!
What are you doing up there, B?
I was looking for you, and here you are!
Look, kids, there C is. He seems to be going somewhere.
Hi, Bob!
I see. Where are you going?
I'm going to the park!
Why don't you join us instead?
Yay!
D, what are you doing behind the tree?
I'm playing hide and seek.
Will you join me on a fun ride?
Yes!
Hi, E. How are you? Would you like to join us?
Hi, Bob. I'm fine, thank you. Yes, I would love to join you.
Kids, what is that? Oh my goodness, it's F.
Hi, Bob.
Hi, G. Where are you going?
Hi, Bob. I'm going to meet H. Come along.
Hi, H.
Hi, Bob. G. Let's join Bob. Yes!
Kids, the next letters are I and J.
We are waiting for the bus that will take us to the floating islands.
I'm going to the floating islands too. Both of you join us. Kids, look at K. He is on the swing.
Bob, can I join my friends, I and J?
Yes.
Yay! Wait for me! I want to come too!
Hi, M. What are you doing?
Hi, Bob. I'm going home.
Why don't you join us instead?
Yes! Woo!
Hi, N. Hi, O.
Hi, Bob. Hi, Bob.
Hi, P. Where is Q?
Hi, Bob. I'm trying to find Q. Can you help me find Q?
There Q is, hiding behind the house. Look, kids, there's S.
Hi, Bob. I am waiting for R. Hi, Bob.
Hi, T. Are you going somewhere?
Hi, Bob. I'm going to the city to meet you and V.
Let's go meet U and V together. Hi, U and V. Will you come with me to meet W?
Yes, we're going to meet W too. Let's go together.
Hi, W.
Hi, Bob. I'm waiting for my friends, T, V, and U. Have you seen them?
Yes, they're aboard. Why don't you join them?
Yay! Woohoo! Look at all our friends. Could we join them too, Bob?
Yes, X, Y, and Z. This was fun. See you next time. Hi, I am Bob, and I want to help you learn the numbers. Let us count all the objects on my wagon. 1 van. 1. Hi, 1.
Hi, Bob.
2 watches. 1, 2. Hello, 2.
Hello, Bob.
3 jugs. 1, 2, 3. Hey, 3.
What's up, Bob?
4 suns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, 4.
I hope you're doing good.
5 umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, 5.
Hey, Bob.
6 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hi, 6.
How you doing, Bob?
7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello, 7.
It's good to see you, Bob.
8 hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi, 8.
Hi, Bob.
9 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, 9.
Hello, Bob.
10 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, 10.
It's good to see you, Bob.
Let's count the numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's learn the colors. Red. Blue. Pink. Green. Yellow. Brown. Purple. Gray. Orange. Black. White. Hi, kids. How are you doing today? Let's all get ready because today we're going to play with colorful shapes and have lots of fun. Let all shapes introduce themselves one by one.
Square is my name. My 4 sides are just the same. Turn me around. I don't care. I'm always the same. I'm a square.
Circle is my name. Watch me turn round and round. And soon you will learn my outside edges never end. I'm a circle. I'm a circle.
Rectangle is my name. My 4 sides are not the same. 2 are short and 2 are long. Count my sides and come along. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Triangle is my name. Up the hill and to the top. Down the hill and then you stop. Straight across. Tell me what you've got. A triangle. Yes, I'm a triangle.
Okay, kids, now let's go. Play with shapes and build something more.
Yay!
Now let's show our wonderful skills. A beautiful house of shapes we will build. My 4 sides are the same. What's my name?
Square!
Yes, let's put it there. Now look aloof and tell me the shape of a roof.
Triangle!
Yes, let's place it at a perfect angle. We're going strong. Now name me a shape with 4 sides, too short, too long.
Rectangle!
Yes, a rectangle it is. And such a beautiful house we have built.
Yay!
Well, that was fun. Now, let's make another one. We might want to go someplace far. So let's all of us build a car.
Yes!
Which shape goes round and round with no end? Can you tell?
A circle!
Yes, a circle it is. Let's place it like this. A shape with 2 long sides and 2 short sides we need for our ride.
Rectangle!
Yes, it's a rectangle. And let's place it so. Which shape with 4 equal sides shall we place on the top?
Square!
Yes, it's a square. In place, let it drop. Using all the shapes, a wonderful car we have made.
Yay!
For resting, let's make a tree. Why, kids, don't you agree?
Yes!
Let's start with a rectangle this time. Now, doesn't that look fine? Which other shape should we use?
Circle? Rectangle? Oh, please tell us.
Okay, some triangles we shall choose. Wow, that looks like a beautiful tree. Kids, don't you agree?
Yes!
Kids, now let's build something more. How about a pretty little seesaw?
Yes, on a seesaw we can play all day, all day.
Okay, which shape should we start with now? A triangle will be perfect for our seesaw. Now we need a shape with 2 sides short and 2 sides long.
Yes, let's build a rectangle along.
Now let's gently place it down. Look, we have made a seesaw on our own. I'm having so much fun today.
Yes, Bob, hooray, hooray!
We need to sit and eat somewhere. Let's build a table and some chairs. We'll use 4 rectangles for the legs. Let's place them all at this angle. That looks great. Thank you, rectangle. Now, let's take a shape that's round. Kids, can you tell me where that can be found?
A circle!
Yes, it's a circle. Let's place it on the top. There's our lovely table, even prettier than from a shop. Now, let's call squares and rectangles to build our chairs. That looks wonderful. Now we can all sit somewhere. Thank you, shapes. I had so much fun today. See you next time for more fun and play. Hey, I am Bob the train. I drive on the tracks. Passengers can sit inside me and travel to faraway places. I also carry goods from one place to another. Let's go and meet the other modes of transport. Look, there is a car.
Hey, Bob. I am going out for a picnic. We'll see you soon, Bob.
Look, kids, that's a police car. What do you do, Mr. Police Car?
Policemen sit inside me to catch thieves.
That's a brave job fighting against injustice. Where are you going, fire truck, in so much haste?
There are people trapped in a fire. I'm going to save them with the help of firefighters.
Look, there comes an ambulance.
I'm going to carry the sick and injured people to the hospital.
What are you doing, garbage truck?
I'm collecting garbage.
Look there, it's Crane and Bulldozer. Hey guys, what are you all doing?
Hey, Bob. I'm helping Crane by moving the obstacle.
Hi, Bob. I'm helping with loading and unloading.
Good work, you guys. Look at the helicopter fly away.
Bye, Bob.
Hey, tow truck, what do you do?
I tow away the wrecked and disabled cars.
I hope you kids had fun learning the different modes of transport.